If you watch one Google ad for 7 seconds, you will earn $1.45. Watching 10 Google ads, you will earn over $14, which is the best how to make money online method. So like this video, and let's start with the first step, which is to come over to this website, where you can get paid to watch Google website ads and completing different offers. I will reveal the name of this website in a minute. But as you can see, to earn money, you just need to sign up and start completing different offers like playing games, completing some simple tasks, completing various offers, sharing your opinions in surveys, and most importantly, by watching videos and Google ads. This site is available worldwide, so you can be from any country around the world. And you can now step number 2 is to start earning money. Just click where it says sign up and register yourself to this website. Once you log into your account, this is how your dashboard will look like. And the good thing is that you will get 1,000 coins as a sign up bonus on this website, which is just awesome starting. Another good thing about this website is that you can also use their app on your smartphone from the Google Play Store. So if you have a computer or laptop device, you can use the Google browser to use this website. And if you only have a smartphone, you can install this app to your smartphone and start earning money by watching Google ads. Right now, this app is available only for Android devices, but in future it might be available for iOS users. Now if you hover your mouse on Earn Coins, you will be shown different ways to make money online, like playing games, completing surveys, installing mobile apps, and watching videos. But today, we want to earn money watching Google ads. And for this, you can just click where it says the View PTC ads. And that's going to take you to this page where you can see different Google website ads that you can watch and earn money watching them. So for example, if you watch this 7-second Google website ad, you will earn 8 coins for that. The longer Google website ads you watch, the more coins you will earn, and hence the more money you will make. Let's say we want to watch this 7 seconds Google ad. We just need to click on the View option right there. And that's going to open a Google website ad in a new tab where we just need to stay until the timer on the main website hits 0. And make sure you scroll up and down while you are on a Google website ad so that they know that you are a real human and not a bot. And once the timer is over, you can close this tab and come back to the main website where you can see that you have been credited with the coins in your account. Just like this, you can watch all the ads available for you here and earn money for watching these Google website ads. As you can see, I am scrolling down on this page and the ads keep showing. You will find daily new ads on this website, so you will never run out of Google ads to watch and earn money online. And before I reveal the name of this website to you, I would like to introduce this new earning app today, Epic Story of Monsters, also called the Click app. This is a P2E or play to earn games app where you can play a game and earn anywhere from $1 to $10 a day, playing it for just 30 to 40 minutes a day. I will leave a link to the Click app in the description of this video and the pinned comment. The good thing is that you don't need a computer or laptop device to earn money with this play to earn app. Just install it to your mobile device and this is how the app icon will show. So just click it and open it. So once you open the app for the first time, this is how it will look like. In the center, you can see a fly, which we will refer to as a monster, that we will shoot to play to earn this game. But the first thing I want you to do is to click on the gems button on the top left corner of your screen. And that's going to show you tap one more time on your screen. So as you can see on the top of your screen, we are already credited with a 1 million coins bonus. Now today, I will be showing my withdrawal proof with you guys, so stay tuned until the end. And now to earn money playing this game, all we have to do is to click on this monster showing on our screen. The more you click on it, the more coins you will collect. You can see the health of the monster under this stone, and the more we click on the monster, the more health it will keep losing. So to shoot this monster and to win this game, you just need to keep clicking on it, and that is why the name of this play to earn games app is Click A. The first bonus tip is to use your 2, 3, or 4 fingers simultaneously to click on the screen so that you can get it done faster, and you can earn money faster, just like you are seeing on your screen. As you can see, once the one monster is over, the other monster will appear in its place and we will get 15 extra coins for killing every monster. There are 100 levels of this game, and you just need $3 to take your first withdrawal from here, which is really easy to do if you follow this video step by step. Now you can see that this monster is protected, and you are not getting any coins for shooting it, but you just have to kill it to move to the next level of the game. And sometimes when you are tapping on your screen, you might be shown a notification to watch an ad. So just watch a simple 5-second ad and close it. And they are showing you these ads because they want to make sure you are a real human and not a bot. Because the auto clicker apps are banned on this app, and if you use them, your withdrawal request will be rejected. Now, another bonus tip to earn 100 times more money than others is that you can use the boosters showing on the bottom of your mobile screen, and you can literally earn over 100 coins per second on autopilot if you use these boosters instead of earning 1 coin per tap you do on your screen. So starting with this +4 click booster that will get you an extra 4 coins per tap, all you need to activate it is just to click on it, watch a simple 10 to 15 seconds of ad, and just close it. The booster will be applied, and now you will earn 1 + 4 coins. That is 5 total coins per tap you do to shoot the monster for the next 30 seconds. Just like this. You can use this 3x clicks booster from the left. That's going to earn you 3 times more coins than your recent one. And if you combine both the 4 clicks booster and the 3x booster, you will be actually earning 15 coins per tap if you do it in the right manner. So for this, first you need to apply the 4 click booster by watching an ad. And after that, you need to apply 3x booster by watching another ad. And as you can see, I am earning 15 coins per tap after applying both boosters. And now to earn 100 coins per second on complete autopilot, all you have to do is to activate this 1 click per second on auto booster from here. So just press this booster, watch an ad, and the booster will apply. That will earn you 1 coin per second on complete autopilot, just like you are seeing on your screen right now. And to earn 100 coins per second on autopilot, you just need to apply this booster 100 more times, which is the maximum limit of this booster, which is one of the best ways to make money online. And the good thing about this 100 coins per second booster is that this booster don't have any time limit. So once you activate this booster to your account, it will forever keep earning you the 100 coins per second. So just click on the booster, watch an ad, and increase 1 coin per second every time you repeat this process until you get 100 coins per second. And if you want, you can click here to buy the premium boosters to earn more money. Now let me complete some levels of this game so that I can show the withdrawal proof to you guys. So as you can see, I have earned over 2 million coins in my account with this play to earn games app, which I can withdraw by pressing the gems option on the top left corner, where you will find an option for the receive button. So just press it, and it will show you a notification that you need to fill in some data to take the payment. So just click OK, and here you can see the 3 main details that you need to enter to successfully get your withdrawal from here, and that are the email that you want to register with the Click app, which you will fill in this box. Next, you will select the payment method from PayPal, Payeer, Pix, or Paytm. And if none of these methods are available in your country, you can take the withdrawal in BTC or BNB cryptocurrency. But I like PayPal the most, so I will go with PayPal. And in the third box, we just need to enter the address of our payment method. For example, for PayPal, I need to enter my PayPal address in this box, which is my PayPal email. After that, I just need to click save to save my payment details on this app. Then I just need to click on the receive button again, and that's going to to show you the notification that you have successfully sent the withdrawal request, and your money will be credited within 2 to 14 days, so let's wait for it. So as you can see, I have just received the payment of $9 to my PayPal, which was sent by the Click app partner. So this is one of the legit play-to-earn games app. Once again, I will leave a link to this app in the description of this video and the pinned comment. You can install the app from there and start to play to earn money with it. Now getting back to the main video, the step number 3 is to reveal the name of this website. So the name of this Google Ads watching website is Cointoply.com. Cointoply is get paid to website, where you can get paid for completing different tasks and also for watching Google website ads to earn money. Cointoply has paid over $12 million to its users till now, which is really awesome. And the good thing is that this website pays you through different cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Dashcoin, and LTC. So even if PayPal is not available in your country, you can still take withdrawals from this website. So just sign up to Cointoply and start earning $1.45 for every Google ad you watch. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.